it's meteorologist Joe Fury in the Storm Team 8 Weather Center. Hope you made out okay. It was a nasty, even dangerous Monday morning. The wind, relentless, gusting 50, 60 plus miles per hour. The waves were huge on Long Island Sound, crashing in, coastal flooding. The idea with this storm compared to the storm 1 week ago, winds were stronger, power outages were much larger. We only had 6,000 power outages last Monday. We had over 90,000 UI and Eversource combined at one point early today. And, well, yeah, when you look to the north, we're finding that northern New England's really getting hit hard from this storm. And that was the case right down the East Coast. Can you imagine if there was a big dome of Arctic high pressure to our north? So that's your southern branch supercharged El Nino jet stream that is going to continue to throw the storms up. So sooner or later, for you snow lovers, we're going to get some cold to combine with one of these storms. And maybe there's a big one or two to come in this winter. But for now, well, we were in the 60s with the rain pouring down earlier today. The local street highway basement flooding. Many of you reporting the basement flooded again, which is awful. And of course, right now the residual effect is that we have, well, in addition to still power outages out there, the river and stream flooding. So you can see, look at the state of Maine, upwards of 430,000 power outages, and it continues to mount up there. So they're having a really bad situation up in Maine. Massachusetts had upwards of 250,000 power outages. So our outages in Connecticut are heading back towards 40,000. So the crews are doing a great job getting people back online with, well, the numbers in the wind gust department. The reason why we had the power outages, again, it could have been a lot worse here. When you look at what's happening up in Maine, Bradley 51 mile per hour gust ranging to 66 at Stanford. And again, the coastal flooding much worse than what we had a week ago. And the rainfall amounts, well, some places, especially southern eastern Connecticut, had less than what you encountered back last Monday, but other places having the same or more. And you can see Milford up and over 3 inches, Wallingford 3.5, Wolcott and Danbury approaching 4 inches. That was the case at Waterbury and Rocky Hill and Bristol and Willimantic and New London. So the 3 to 4 inch amounts of rain were there in many spots with, well, the wind gusts that were impressive. Middletown had a 57 mile per hour wind gust. Okay, the leftover effects of all that rain, the rivers and streams are flooding. Because of all the rain we had a week ago, the water table higher, the streams and rivers were already up, and, well, the amount of flooded basements up as well with this storm. Flood warning continues for all the streams and rivers, the Housatonic, the Pomperaug, the Park River, well, Yantic. Yantic is really high, major flood stage. So, again, stay away from these rivers, even the Connecticut flooding. So we've got a big problem with river and stream flooding, and that's going to continue overnight tonight into tomorrow. And because of all the runoff out there, temperatures start out near the freezing mark across the interior. Watch out for the icy spots that are going to be out there early tomorrow. It's a mix of sun and clouds. We're in the upper 30s, low mid 40s with a passing mixed shower during the afternoon on Tuesday. Most of the day is dry. 30s tomorrow evening, 20s to start your Wednesday. Keep in mind, the average high for this time of year is about 40, and the average low is about 24. That's across the interior. So it's, you know, after being in the 60s early on Monday with the rain pouring on down, we're just trying to get back to average. Wednesday's beautiful with highs 40 to 45, and then Thursday a little cooler. We'll say upper 30s, low mid 40s, bright, seasonable. We're doing great. And right now, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Christmas Day, quiet, great weather for traveling and last-minute shopping. Partial clearing, the river and stream flooding overnight tonight, and some icy spots into early tomorrow, low mid-30s. Low mid-40s tomorrow, lots of clouds, some sun, breezy. The passing mixed shower in the afternoon, not amounting to much. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, beautiful, bright, breezy weather. Daytime highs at the shoreline in the mid-40s Wednesday and Thursday, a little cooler on Friday. Saturday, Sunday, mixed sun and clouds in the 40s, maybe a shot at 50 on Christmas Day with the sun out. So, yeah, we are under a high-pressure ridge and great stretch of weather as we head through the rest of this week and right through the Christmas holidays. So that's good news. No white Christmas. And we'll see if the weather pattern changes heading into January. Could be interesting between Christmas and New Year's. But for right now, be careful with the rivers and streams. Keep an eye on your basement with all the runoff happening. And hopefully those that don't have power will get power back soon. And, well, that's about it for now. Hope you're feeling well. Tune in to Gil first thing on Tuesday morning with the very latest update on what's happening out there. Of course, we had school closures this morning. Hopefully everything will be back to normal. Alyssa will let you know if there's any road closures still on Tuesday morning. So that's your latest update. I hope you're doing okay, and we'll keep you updated on what's happening down the road, but at least it looks like a nice quiet stretch of weather ahead. If I don't see you, have a very Merry Christmas. Bye.